Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Cadena. Welcome to week 8 of online learning. Today is Monday, May 11th, and I just wanted to give you a preview of this week's assignments and to show you a new platform for reading. We're going to use a Scholastic platform instead of Epic this week, and I think you're really going to like it. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do, go ahead and open your Google Classroom. It'll look something like this. Go ahead and click on that classwork tab. And here are week 8 assignments. So you'll have the week 8 calendar that we'll take a look at in just a second. As a reminder, Mrs. Shanklin has story time every single day at 11 o'clock. So I hope you will join her. And I also put some PE in here from Coach. So let's take a look at this week 8 calendar real quick. So it looks very much the same as the previous weeks, but instead of reading on Epic every day, I want you to try this new platform. It's called Scholastic. It has this open book here. So to get that, you're going to go to your cover page. And I have already favorited mine. I've already put a heart up here so it comes right up. But if it doesn't come up right up for you, just scroll down and somewhere down here, under supplemental resources, it'll have the Scholastic book. So you want to click that and open that up, and it'll look something like this for you guys. Very similar to Epic, and that you guys can search the books that you want to read. There might be some overlap between Epic and this platform, but there might be new books on here that you haven't seen. So you can explore different genres, heroes, pioneers, and presidents, and explore the things you want to read there. Scientist books, bird books, all kinds of different categories for you. Feel free to scroll and click the Read It Now at the bottom, the E, Read It Now. And hopefully, there we go. You'll be able to read it just like Epic and scroll through pages. So Big Bats, or Bats Big Game. You'll be able to scroll through the pages. Some of these books can be read to you. Others you'll read to yourself. So you'll scroll through the books and take your time, read for 20 minutes on here as opposed to Epic this week. So I want you guys to check out Literacy Pro, Scholastic's Literacy Pro. Take a look through all these books, and I'd like you to use this platform this week instead of Epic. I think you'll really like it. Otherwise, reading is the same. I want you to do an Achieve article every day. Please don't do more than one. Just do one. That's all I want you to do. Just one. And you're trying to get a goal of 75% or higher. Math, same thing for math this week, guys. We're doing Moby Max for 10 minutes every single day. And then we're going to do review this week for IXL. So you're going to do subtraction of 3-digit numbers. You guys know how to do this, but if you forgot, you can click on this YouTube reminder, and this teacher will remind you how to do 3-digit subtraction, but I know you guys are all very good at this. And then I want you to do the IXL EHT. And you're going to review subtraction word problems Tuesday, patterns on Wednesday. Thursday, you're going to do just more patterns, and Friday, more patterns. Writing and vocabulary this week, IXL lessons throughout the week. And then I want to see you guys on 20 minutes of Smarty Ants or Imagine Learning, your choice. So if you like doing Smarty Ants on Monday and Imagine Learning on Tuesday, that's just fine. It's up to you. And that's it for the week, guys. I think you guys have a handle on online learning. You guys email me if you have any questions. I will be here all day. All right, guys.